Because they say life expectancy for Nigeria now 50 years. So if you don't reach 40, you don't run on half tank now. Or reserve actually. So when AY line up the young boys, he said, okay, because you're going to come last. Make the big artist, I said, nah lie. Make I do quick, go sleep. I don't know waiting they keep people. Because it's difficult these days and everybody's trying to make money. But the funny thing, we say, how you want to enjoy the money? We don't know again. You drink alcohol, it damage kidney. You smoke, it damage lungs. You carry woman, from here enter, damage things. So when you gather all this money, I don't know which part of your body you want to use to enjoy the money, You take your tired person, life tired person. So, to avoid any of these things, you do quick, go sleep. Make life for prolong. Now I say, do this thing quick, go rest. Your Excellency, as it be, when a governor is around, most times people, they do eye service. But I don't go do eye service, I go talk as it be. No, I don't want to talk any bad thing, because eye service sometimes they make you forget even what you know. I remember when we did school, if you born 5 children, one day will be dance. Everybody no go know house for no go know book for your house. There must be one member of the family where they disgrace the family. It's their entitlement and they owe you no apologies. If you like, pay for extra lessons, extra moral classes. When you return in result, you go sigh. They know they apologize to you, and so it be. Not everybody must not work hard. Those who work hard may they help people when if you work hard. It's not their fault. People they like that for family. And when we were in school, those days we get people who dance like that. One of our classmates that time, Jude no book and he know anybody apology. If you ask any question for class, he go fail and nothing will happen. Now they give us inspiration. That kind of when result come out, you go house, say perform well, they say waiting be your result. You say better pass Jude on. It was a landmark. So one time, governor don't talk, say, governor, they go see schools just to check whether the Commissioner of Education is working. Only Jude then call, principal call and say, Jude, don't come to school tomorrow. It's public holiday. Only one person out of the whole school. Because they don't know who governor will ask question. And stupid Jude take public holiday. Go, come. So in the morning, he don't show for my house. Mama, okay, go play, but it's okay, go school. You go Peter house, Peter, go school. John house, John, go school. Let me dress up, come school. As he just enter school, now governor siren. Principal see Jude, say, hi, who told this boy to? Imagine when one person be whole school problem. Okay, let him go to the back, all the students will not line up to receive His Excellency. Don't line up, His Excellency, they go around. Hey, Mr. Principal, you're doing a very good job, I must say. What class are you in? Guy said JSS 3. Who wrote Things Fall Apart? He said, no be me. No be me, I just say, come right now. That are the first confusion for the full school. Now at this point, when he stopped in front of Jude, the teacher, the principal, everybody don't they shake. Hey, this boy, this same boy. At this point, governor don't vex. Because the standard of education now is the problem. Every other thing is good, but the standard of education. Who is the class teacher? Who is the teacher? They panic. See, eye service. Class teacher, come here. A student in your class cannot tell me who wrote Things Fall Apart. He says, son, so they write things everywhere. One thing I never tell these children. Hey, governor, don't believe. Can I see the principal? Mr. Principal, come. A student in your school, a teacher cannot say who wrote Things Fall Apart. He says, sir, that is the problem we are having. Even all this place, we repented it just yesterday. They've been writing all over this place. Governor just turned, say, no, I'm leaving this place. I'm disappointed. Let's go. They tell the ADC, imagine, what is this country turning into? A teacher, a principal cannot tell me who wrote Things Fall Apart. The ADC says, sir, don't worry, we'll set up a machinery and we'll fish out who wrote it. Don't look at this. What is happening in this place? Ignore the ADC, vex, even branch office, you go house. As he don't enter, wife say, I'm angry. Say, Your Excellency, what's the problem, honey? He said, this country is finished. What is happening to Nigeria? A teacher, a principal, even my ADC cannot tell me who wrote this Falapa. He said, no, you know. They will not tell you they are your political opponents. They don't want you to succeed. And the bad thing where I serve is the top. We've been doing this thing for a very long time. So what we do is we share our experiences. I belong to the generation where watch TV when TV get respect. When TV they open around 4 o'clock. It was not 24 hours. TV no they wait for you, now you they wait for TV. When you come back, you exercise patience. In Act 4, your papa bring key, open the cupboard, TV. You watch TV. No be now where your children they control remote. I belong to the generation where, like I said, I don't go fear anybody. When I was born when Ashawo was still a noble business. When only old people they do Ashawo. Until small children enter with miniskirts, spoil the business. When Ashawo was Ashawo get house, respect himself. If you need services, you meet Ashawo. Ashawo know they come meet you. People know what I'm talking about. Now you define Ashawo go. Madam, your customer don't come, you say, wait, my feed my pikin. You understand? I was born when, diseases get only first name and then they keep person. Disease where they that time na polo, cro, highest, you get gonorrhea. And the check that time was not too scientific, it was manual. People wait know what I mean. You understand? Not the generation where they born us. Life was easy. But suddenly world can't change. Things can't spoil. Okay, as Christmas don't day now. Today na 1st of December. It's my son's birthday. So it's a special day for him. Today now, thank you very much. Thank you. Today na 1st of December. That the period of panic don't day. Major cities now like Lagos now tension don't day. Christmas period day. Nigerians have a war starting rumor. They say something they lost. I never see somebody for Newsline where they naked saying anything lost. But year in, year out, people they bring rumor. Say they touch somebody for shoot, there's something lost. They touch somebody for. We know they see this thing. I'm eager to see the person where they touch, they remove in trouser. If na man before it be woman. If any one of them I don't see, then I go tell me. But every year, rumor they day. So that time for Lagos, 1 year like that, rumor one day. If you go bus stop, everybody go queue up humble. Nobody they touch anybody. Okay, go back now. It's the same bus we are entering. If you're in a hurry, you can come in front. If you're in a hurry, you can come in front. Everybody they wonder, waiting hand they like this. But nobody feel talk out of fear because now one old, dry-looking man, fear only. You don't know whether a native doctor where they go do medicine for people. So John, don't keep hand like this. People they murmur, this one. Small time conductor, Oda. Maybe we say as he won't do hand. Yeah, okay, bring your money. This one where you keep hand like this. People say, now what for this hand though? For inside this bus. Papa no answer anybody. He do hand like this. Hand this one. Collecting money, pay. Transfer, keep on like that. People say, oh God, will they come down from this bus? We are coming down from this bus. This bus is no longer safe. Papa said, I'm gonna no vex my people. Now small problem where they get with my wife. Every Christmas is no buy present. Every Christmas is no buy present. So I want surprise them. I want go buy Brazil. So now the measurement I take come off for us. Finally make her leave. Finally, my generation, now the generation will enter train from north, go reach south. Sometimes we do 2 days for train. Now this particular experience happened for train from Jos to the east. Children, people where their papa get money that time, no opportunity to mingle. So this particular girl, once she leaves school, she goes home, no boyfriend, nobody touch her. But she get this boy when he get crush on. So 1 year, then they go back. 1 year, then they go back. He look this boy, then they train together. He call him, he say, honey, if we don't take advantage of this trip, I may not see you again. We're almost finishing school. The boy said, but it's a busy place. What do we do? He said, don't worry, I'll come up with an idea. The boy said, for this train here? He said, yes. The boy said, okay. You know, women can be creative when you need them. And the girl toilet for train. She wear this flare gown. She go remove her hair, keep, put for handbag, come back. He said, honey, he get up from her chair. Esther, you're old, you can sit. Old man, take chair. She stand. Don't worry, my boyfriend will lap me. He whispered to the guy, before I sit, unzip your fly, use your shirt, cover it. As soon as I sit, set. So as they go sit, the boy said, flare skirt cover. They don't align. The boy asked him, the boy now be the novice. So are we going to sit like this all through the journey? Say relax. Now the boy the girl day. People full train face to face. Sir, where are you going to? The man saying they go on nature. You, where are you going to? Saying they go Jos. What of you is saying they go Port Harcourt? You where they go Jos, why you no go nature? You where they go Port Harcourt, why you no go Jos? You where they go. Thank you very much, God bless you.